to play Mad Scientist.
Mad Scientist.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't forget your little cheat card. If you guys need it, it's right here. Okay? Okay, who wants to be Dr. Frankenstein?
Me.
Okay, can I be?
Can I be Dr. Frankenstein?
Yes, Claire.
Thank you.
Who wants to be the hand?
Oh, can I be the hand?
Yes, you can. Who wants to be Igor?
Me?
Okay.
Can I be Igor?
Yes, you can. There you go. Okay, are you ready? Now, Dr. Frankenstein, you've got the cheat card. You're going to ask who for a body part?
Igor.
Excellent. And Igor, who are you going to ask for the body part?
The hand.
Okay.
Okay, are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Igor, I need an eye.
The hand. Bring me an eye.
Can you say please?
Please?
Okay.
Good.
Igor, I need a stomach.
The hand. Bring me a stomach. Please. Please.
Igor, I need head.
The hand. Bring me hand.
Yeah.
Igor, I need legs.
The hand. Bring me legs. Please. Please.
Stop. And switch. Okay, the cheat card. 3, 2, 1, go.
Igor, I need a face.
The hand, bring me a face.
Please.
Please.
Igor, I need a mouth.
The hand, bring me.
Please.
Please.
Igor, I need a heart.
The hand, bring me a heart.
Please, please.
Please.
Stop, please. Okay, remember the cheat card. Go, 3, 2, 1.
Igor, I need a nose.
The hand, bring your nose.
Can you say please?
Please.
Igor, bring me a cage.
The hand, bring your cage.
Can you say
Please.
Igor, bring me a brain.
The hand, bring me a brain.
Can you say please?
Please.
Oh dear.
Great, fantastic. You made a...
Monster.
Excellent. Okay. Do you want to bring it to life?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so kids, send electricity. Okay? Everyone, electricity.
Electricity.
3, 2, 1. It's alive!
It's alive.